Tuesday afternoon at approximately 3:30, a woman waiting for the Broad Ridge Spur at the Chinatown station, which is located at 8th and Race Streets, was approached by a male who asked for a lighter. Shortly after providing that lighter, the male assaulted the woman, punching her several times and then grabbing her and throwing her into the track area. The individual then walked away from the woman who he had thrown into the track, picked up her cell phone and strolled out of the station. He didn't even run. We had distributed his picture throughout the Center City area to law enforcement. This afternoon, a sergeant from the transit police observed this individual at 15th and JFK, and he was apprehended, still in possession of the victim's phone and wearing that jacket. Our best lead in this was this extremely unique jacket. We wanted to hold that information close to the chest in a hope that we would catch this person. We had information leading us to believe that he was a homeless person in the Center City area. So with our partners in the Philadelphia Police Department, we increased the number of officers out on the platforms in our stations